Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Linux Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Google Page Insight speed. So all you have to do is just right click on your website and select inspect. And in here, you click on this arrow icon and in drop down, select Lighthouse. So you can check your speed for mobile as well as for desktop. So I'm just going to select desktop for now and you start the process. So do not judge my website because I just launched it a couple of days ago, but it definitely affect your SEO ranking. So make sure your score is at least 80 across all criteria. And that is it. That's how you check your website. So let's see how I'm scoring right now. Okay, so not that bad. I can definitely improve, but yeah. So if you're interested, I can definitely help you out with this particular service to make sure you score at least 90 plus across all criterias. And yeah, let me know if you have any question. And again, thank you so much for watching.